Hi everybody! For today's project, I'll use a super bulky cotton thread with 5.5mm hook. And I'll add this golden string to make it more shiny. Now make a slip knot. Make 100 chains. Skip the first chain from the hook and insert your hook into the second chain. Make 3 half double crochet. Into the next chain, make 3 half double crochet. And also into the next one, make 3 half double crochet. And make 3 half double crochet in each stitch across. I have worked across all my chains and you can see it's twisted. Chain 1 and leave a long tail, then cut the yarn. Put the two sides together and use a darning needle to sew them together at the back here. Weave in all these yarn. Now I'll use the golden string again with a darning needle and push it through the center. Now you can tie a nice little bow here and a bell if you like. Thanks for watching, and if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment because this will help the channel to grow.